It's just a loose wire. It happens from wear and tear, dude. Your bus sounds like feedback. I think there's something wrong with your bus. Anytime now. That guy needs to hurry up and reset his shit so we can get this rolling. Anytime now. Holy shit. Let's go already. Let's get this party started.
Greetings, everybody. Mike Emmerich here. Eddie Olczyk alongside Ray Ferraro down at ice level. Tonight, we have a thrilling evening of hockey ahead. The teams...
Sorry, I needed a pause. Eat me.
are ready, and so are we. You just made it in time. With Eddie Olczyk and Ray Ferraro, Mike Emmerich, we are underway. That pass along the boards. Moves to the corner. Superb defensive play by Ennis. Trying to go to Andrighetto. Takes it on the wing. Puck is grabbed by Malkin. Goes to the backhand. Up the wing with it now. Nice fake. Shakes him loose. Ennis is tripped up. That should be a penalty. Matthews is sent to the box for tripping. There's always a start to your power play night, and this is number one. Good job tying the man up on the faceoff. Teammate comes in. He drops on back further. What do you think he's thinking? It's cleared back, and this forces a recoil. And the loose puck regathered by Kelly. Sets up shot. Oh, what a play. Gathered in by Stoner. Save. Heads on to the corner. Pass to the slot. Terrific save. Terrific opportunity.
You want to score goals, you have to go to this area. You got to find a way to put it in the net.
And possession seized by Stoner. The puck is scooped up by Williams. He drives toward the slot. Score!
Dirty.
That is the first goal scored after a lot of work.
Great start. They were ready to play, and it shows on the shot clock as well.
Possession seized by Kelly. Heads along the boards. Oh, that's good. Puck is thrown to Malkin. Snapping a pass to Ennis. He can start some danger here. Good use of the stick. Broke that pass up. Now it's directed to Kelly. Cruises to the slot. Marvelous. He scores! Second
Wow.
Over 7 minutes gone. Just recently another goal, and so the lead is 2. Corralled by Kelly. On to Bergdorfer. 2-on-1 opportunity. Good, solid defensive play with the stick. Walking a thin line near the border there. Offside stops the clock. They win the draw and will now set up an attack. Cut on by with that one. He can start some danger here.
Come on, guys.
Shoots
real
right.
sloppy.
Good save there. A whistle and a rest. Nice face-off work. He showed us a lot on that one. Moved up the side by Kelly. Great opportunity, but the pass didn't connect.
Yeah, lots of goals, baby.
Drives to the crease.
There it is.
That's 3 in a row. Neutralized face-off win. Nicely patted away. Picks it up in his own end.
No, you get a used one.
Back out to sea.
Get a used.
Could this be icing? And it will be based on the defense arriving first. Beat him on that one.
Yeah, when? In the late 90s?
Simple play. Made well. Strong defense. Looks ahead to start something. He goes back into his own end. Just a chop of the puck, and it's out of the way. A shot. Wonderful save. What a skill level there.
You don't get many better opportunities than that. Great save.
Swatted down. Still has control in neutral ice. It's an odd man rush. It's a 3-on-2. Back in his defensive end to get it. Directing that one to Kelly. He knocked that one away.
Good chop down.
2 sticks together. It goes to the offense.
Nice poke, Ennis.
And he is reefed.
This guy hasn't given up. What a hit.
He's going to skate it on back now. It's dumped in. Picks it up in his own end.
Fucking do something, Jesus Christ.
Perfect pass. Huge.
Ooh,
hit.
big
Possession's
fucking hit.
gone. The clock has bled down to the last minute. Pass attempt to Enriqueta.
Servers are just fucking hot garbage, dude.
And the possession once again in the defensive zone by Williams.
Clean hit.
Really good move. He got in. Great save.
They don't ask how. He just did.
Thank you.
One team is going to be short from this. Let's see what the call is. Matthews has dropped another. A tough night all around. First period is in the books. So are a lot of goals, but just on one side of the ledger.
All right, boys. It's a good period. Keep it up.
Underway here in the period, still on the power play. On through the corner. Broke it right up. The puck is fielded now by Stoner. Oh, and he is drilled.
I wonder if that hit will change the momentum of this game.
Up the wing, still with possession and with hope. A shot, save. Oh, it's there, squeezed for a whistle.
Nice shot.
Ennis keeps that face-off streak going. And he dumps it in. Loose puck captured by Williams. And he motors on through the neutral zone. In on the 2-on-2. Can they get reinforcements here? Oh, what a great keep. The stick can break up a play, and it just did. Can't get it on net.
You have to give yourself a chance. That puck cannot miss the net like that.
Got on by with that one. Speeds right on goal. He's got him against the glass. Scrum over, puck kicked. In their own end, moving it now. Propelled to Bergdorfer. Oh, what a stop.
That terrific save is going to give the bench a huge lift.
Shoots, not through.
Don't chop it right out in
To
front.
Ennis. Pressure is intense. Who can get it out of there?
Gotcha.
And they've got a 3-on-2 here. Terrific breakup of the odd man rush. Moves up along the boards. Forcing attention in deep. Speared along by Ennis. Looks ahead to start something.
God, man.
Offside is called on the
So
play.
rough.
Over 8 minutes have passed. It's a solid lead by a score of 3-0. Really good deflection. No harm. Looking for options through the neutral zone. Good job with the poke check. Enormous collision.
Finally, they're starting to push back here. They trail by such a large margin. They've been dominated so far.
He's right in front. One-timer. Got his stick on it. Put his pads together and got the whistle. Defensive zone win. Moving it to Ennis. Carries it toward the woodwork. He was outnumbered but not outmanned. Picks up that pass. What's next? And the linesmen were watching very carefully. That is an offside. Face-off win, and now what will they do with it? Hanging on to it in their own end. Nice stand-up poke check there. Ennis is tripped up. That
There
should
you go.
be a penalty.
Draw.
Matthews has a minor penalty here, and the call is tripping. Quick work on the face-off. Jabbed away by Malkin. Karam pass to Ennis. Closed off effectively and sealed. Keeps it going through center. It's a 2-on-2. What do they do next? Oh, broke it up. Puck settled down by Williams. And he's hammered.
His brain bucket, Doc, came flying off after taking that big hit.
I think this is a good point to hear from Ray Ferraro.
Andrighetto's been like a one-man demolition crew. He has been so physical all over the ice.
That's good, Ray. I think he sure has his fans out there. Good job on the draw. Carries it up the wing. Slides it to the point to Ennis. And the loose puck gets chopped away. Long way to go and not much time to do it. And a bomb to Andrighetto. Through the neutral zone. Great chance here, 2-on-1. Tipped by the stick. That's just good fundamental defense. Pitching it to Ennis. Up the wing.
Ennis loses that puck while faking in the offensive zone. He tried to do way too much there, Doc.
Moves it to the barrier at center ice. Taken away. Out in the slot. Moves to the corner. And the puck is scooped up by Ennis. In their own end, moving well. The puck is picked up in the defensive zone by Stoner. Moving along out of their own end. Picked up in the attacking zone. Nice play with the stick.
Would it be there, Nora?
More will come. Pitching this one to Ennis. Clock about to bleed down to the final minute. A shot. He scores.
Nice.
Completes the hat trick.
The goaltender was so worried about the passer, he forgot about the goal scorer.
The passer recognizes that he's got to get the puck up in the air, but he displays sweet hands as it goes just over the stick and lands flat on the ice.
Moves it to the shadow of the boards. Takes that pass from his... Oh, what a pad save. And he pushes it on through mid-ice.
Good second, man. Let's finish strong.
2 periods here of a 3-period game. The best part of the day is coming up.
Do you know someone in your community who goes the extra mile to help out? Nominations for our Team Player Awards are available in the concourse in the lower seating level.
We have begun the third period. Passing one off now to Enriqueta. Turns around back in his own end to try and get something better. Right in front. He scores!
Nice.
Tremendous night for him.
Stop scoring, Kelly. You got to do stats.
A face-off win. Let's see what develops.
Assisted by number 24. And by number
Shoots. Outstanding. Score! What a quick
Oh,
answer that
wah,
was.
wah, wah.
Ennis on a good night face-off win. His team is ahead too. Solid neutralized poke check. That plays offside, and so back to center ice for the face.
Remember, Kelly's got to do stats, so at the end of the game, when there's like 10 seconds left, everybody needs to fight.
Now what? Loose puck gathered by Williams. No shadow of the boards here. Look at this. Puck out in front. Pass right up the wing. Heads to the front. Trying to go to Ennis. Puck controlled by Kelly. That is defense. Back in his defensive end to get it. Puck is thrown to Malkin. Nice job, able to step on by. Picked up behind the net. Heads on to the corner. Snapping a pass to Ennis. Gets on by. Kick save. Outstanding. Down to rinkside we go yet again. Ray, what do you know?
Kelly's been exceptional, guys. I don't remember him making a mistake tonight. As he's played, his team's followed.
It is just another in a long line of outstanding games for him, Ray. They win it. Picks it up in his own end. Zone to zone. Desperate race to get him. Thrown to the slot. Ooh, he got in the way of that one. Hoping to recoil back in his own end. Able to take the pressure off by clearing it back out. And in their own end, still with it.
Good poke, Kels.
Looks ahead to start something. And now it's directed to Williams. Directing that one to Bergdorf. In their own end, still have control. It's a 3-on-2 as they move in. Gloved.
You can't ask for a better opportunity.
With that quick
in
glove.
scoring zone. What a great glove save.
Let's check in at ice level with Ray.
Kelly's had several opportunities to shoot the one-timer. He's got an excellent release. Eventually, it pays off.
Okay, Ray, he is a special player to watch. Matthews has lost another draw, his team in a losing cause. To Kelly.
Kelly's mindset is pretty easy. Shoot first, answer questions later.
Whoa, what a play! Good hand to eye, and the reach of the stick. Moving along in their own end. Oh, and here's a 3-on-2. Can he generate something? Cleared back out. Not much pressure there. Back in his defensive end to get it. Will turn back into his own end and look over his options. Fired away and back down. To Enriqueta. Moves up the side with it now. Could not be filtered through. A strong play by Malkin. Jabbed away by Williams. Full steam up the wing. Pass attempt to Ennis. It's a 3-on-2. How will they defend this? Outstanding save. What magic even to get there and get the shot off.
Seems like he was in too tight on the goaltender.
Was that an attempt at a Manny?
Fine. Oh, terrific save on a great chance. Delayed penalty coming up. Pointed to Stoner. It's blocked. And play is stopped for a penalty. This has been a power play that's gotten a lot of times, but no goals. Maybe that'll change with this one. Solid, clean win. They've taken the heat off again. The clock still moves. They must retreat and start back again. In their own end, pressing on with it. Kelly's got this one between the blue lines. Great stick there. He could start some danger here. On through the corner. So we're into the last minute. He scores!
Nice.
Ricocheted in off one of the bad guys.
Fucking great job up there, guys.
Good job on that face-off, tying the man up. Outstanding play. A loose puck taken by Kelly. And angled to Enriqueto. Great job to slip on by. Taken over now by Williams. Glides to the safety behind the net. Looking to Malkin. He banks a pass ahead. Near the boards. Perfect tip by the stick. One-timer. Wonderful save. It didn't look like he had a thing to shoot at.
Terrific stop from right in front of the net, but you got to find a way to put the puck in the net.
It's an odd man rush. It's a 3-on-2. Oh,
Man, they got that one lucky fucking rebound. I wanted that shutout bad.
close call there.
He was trying to be a little bit too fine there. That's why he missed the net.
Oh my god.
He was fucking just being a retard.
The game is over.
Alright, well, good game, boys. Fucking well done.
Shots and wonder if they didn't count the warm-up.
Viewers, we'll catch you tomorrow.
And the thought process is what it should be. Shoot the puck.